How to change the wallpaper on your iPhone? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So in order for you to change the wallpaper, you will have to go into settings, and in settings you will see a section which is called wallpaper. Pretty intuitive and easy to do, honestly, but yeah, I'm still going to show you how it's done. And once you're in wallpaper, all you have to do is click on choose a new wallpaper, and over here there are a bunch of options that you can choose from. Stills are wallpapers which do not have motion graphics in them, so they are what they are. But there are dynamic wallpapers as well which move and they glow and they do certain motion graphics. They are quite good in my opinion. So all you have to do in order for you to set the wallpaper now is click on set, and over here you can select the option whether you want home screen, lock screen, or you want it at both the places. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below on what next videos we should make. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.